morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. And today we will going to discuss about the student life in Ireland. What are the different things that you will experience after coming to Ireland as a student, and what are the different things that you need to do in your university to get good marks and everything. First point is that you will engage with university with classes. I don't know about the classes. Either classes will be online or classes will be like in classroom, real classroom. That you need to figure out, and otherwise whatever it will be. But the main point is that your college schedule will be around 3 or 4 hours per day. So sometimes it might be possible that you will get your university lecture for like 1 hour, and sometimes it might be possible that you will get your university lecture for 6 hours in a day. So it will be completely dependent on your timetable and the subjects that you choose. So that is the main point. And depending on that, so mainly you will wake up in 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and then you just take your shower and breakfast and everything. It will take around 1 hour, and then you just get to your university. And it will depend on the house where you are living, like how far is your university, so that you just if you are living so far, then you need to leave early. If you are living near to your university like me, then it will take around 7 to 8 minutes. So before 10 minutes of lecture, you can just leave your home and you can just easily reach university. So that is the main point. Apart from that, you have your assignments and your studies, and if you are doing part-time work, then you will end your part-time job. So that is the main timetable that you need to arrange. Now, so talking about the assignments in UCC, the structure of the course or the structure of the subjects are most totally like this. So there will be one mid-semester exam with 40 marks, and one final exam with 40 marks, and there will be either 2 assignments or sometimes 4 assignments or only 1 assignment. So if there is only 1 assignment, then 20 marks for that particular assignment. If there is 2, then 10 marks and 10 marks, and if there is 4 assignments, then 5 marks per assignment. So the 100 marks for your subjects, or you can say the total number of credits, will be divided in mid-semester, final exams, and assignments. So you need to do all the things in order to get good marks. Now, talking about the assignments are really good. They are practical, so you need to focus on your study. You need to understand your concepts, then and then only you can just do your assignments. So yeah, that is the main point. And more upon that, if you are living here in Ireland, and if you are saving some money, then obviously you need to cook on your own. So it will take time, I guess at least 1 hour per day if you are cooking on your own. So let's consider there is a total 24 hours in your day, then at least 4 to 5 hours will go on your university, and more upon that, 1 to 2 hour goes on your personal things like a shower, early breakfast and everything, and then more 1 hour for your cookings, for 1 more hours for your lunch and dinner. So easily it will take around 9 to 10 hours. And then if there is any assignments or study, then it will take more, 3 to 4 hours at least. And more upon that, if someone is doing part-time job, then you need to utilize your time as per your part-time timetables, because part-time schedule is not easy to do, because mostly people will get part-time job in weekend, but sometimes it might be possible that you will get your part-time schedule on weekdays. So in that particular thing, you need to manage your study, your university, and your part-time work. And if you have more assignments, then all the best for that. And more upon that, you are living on your own. So whatever things that need to live life in Ireland, you just need to do that particular all the things on your own. You need to do grocery shopping, you need to do toiletry shopping. So all the things are on your own. You need to wash your clothes and everything, so it will take a hell lot of time. So try to get a good home where people are friendly, so that they will not tell you anything if you are doing anything at any point of time, because sometimes I wash my clothes at night around 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. So if there is a problem with another people who are living on your home, then uh, just it will interrupt your timetable. So it will be like a conflict with that particular people, because they might not like that particular thing. So yeah, just try to get a good home with nice people, so that they can understand your timetable and you can focus on your study. Now sometimes we people from India, obviously we'll get good friends over here in Ireland, because you will start living in hostel for like at least 1 week in order to get your accommodation. So in that particular 1 week, you will engage with more Indian students, and you will get good friends. And yeah, if they are in same university or same course, then you will be a good friend. And same case with me. When I came here, there was nobody, and then after coming to Ireland, I just lived 1 week in hostel, and I got a good friends. And right now, yeah, we guys sometimes meet each other in one place. Like sometimes they come to my place, sometimes I go to their place, and yeah, we can do a good hangout and everything. We can discuss about the studies, we can discuss about the other things, the things going on in their lives, the things going on in my life and everything. So it is kind of a family environment over there. So you will not get bored in Ireland if you are living alone. If you think that okay, I'm coming to Ireland alone and there is no family and everything, so that is not the point. Sometimes you will feel that, but I'm going to create a entire video that what will happen after coming to Ireland, so it will help you also. So yeah, that is the student life here in Ireland. So main thing, you need to focus on your studies, assignments, and more upon that your studies, because the course are practical. So yeah, that is the main thing, and I hope this particular information will help you. And if you like this particular video, then please support me on Patreon. You will find a link in the description box below. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.